Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make money with AI on Etsy. So if you go to Etsy guys, as you can see here, what you can like sell a bunch of stuff. So as you can see here, you can start selling gifts like designs, pictures, whatever you feel like selling. So as you can see here, so how you can start selling these without any like knowledge about images, pictures, or etc. Basically, I will show you how. First of all, we will need to use an AI which called Midjourney. So let's go to another angle and let's open Midjourney. So here we go. And basically now we will sign in with our Discord account. So if you don't have it, just go to Discord and, and create one. So now I will authorize just like so I would give it the authorization. So now let's go to Discord and let's open it. Open Discord. And as you can see now, I will open my account and the server will be in the left list. So now I will just go to the new buys. Like you can join whatever new buy room you have. So I will go to this one, for example, go all the way down. So now what we're gonna do is make some designs for our, for example, pictures or like portraits. So let's say slash imagine, and like we can make cute puppy laughing while his tongue is out. Um, let's make it realistic, 8K, high quality, and let's like so I think I will keep it like that, and let's start. So let's say what it's gonna give us, and probably it will be like a really good quality that is better than this, because as you can see, 10K reviews. Imagine what you can do with the quality of this bot, because this bot gives quality which is insanely good. Let's just find here you go. So as you can see here, this is the puppies that I have created from AI, and let's wait until it fully loads. So it is now at 62%. Let's wait until it fully loads at 100%. So let me just go down. It will be loading in the bottom. So as you can see, these pictures are so cute and so good. I can't, they are so adorable. Imagine who couldn't buy this from you guys. It will be so good in a portrait, with some like if you could make some design for the portrait and etc. It will be looking so much good with adding a name above it or something like that. So yeah guys, that's how we can actually make money with AI on Etsy. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next video.